The World Bank's new partnership framework for 2026 to 2031 has been approved, and the Finance Department says it's aligned with President Bongbong Marcos's national development agenda. The updated CPF prioritizes areas critical to the administration's goals, including better health care and education, stronger job creation, digitalization, and economic resilience. Under the plan, the World Bank Group aims to reach 19 million people with quality health and nutrition services and improve education outcomes for 15 million students across the country. Finance Secretary Ralph Recto says that the framework will help ensure that development financing is strategically targeted and makes a meaningful impact on the lives of Filipinos.
Akala mo ba tapos na ang lahat nung naupo si BBM na hanggang 2028 lang ang epekto niya? Akala mo ba walang mangyayari sa mga pangarap nating mga Pilipino? Pero teka lang, bakit parang biglang may nangyaring ibang level? Bakit ngayon lang ito lumalabas? At bakit may sangkot na ang World Bank? Hold that thought. Kasi kung iniskip mo ito, baka ikaw na lang ang huli sa balita. Ito ang simula. Parang tahimik pero may nakatagong